Every single one of us carries a story, a past filled with moments that shaped who we are. But too often we let that story define us. The truth is, your past is not your prison, it's your lesson. You cannot drive forward by staring in the rearview mirror. The moment you stop blaming your past, you take back your power. Pain only has the meaning you give it. You can use it to stay broken, or you can use it to build strength. The choice is yours, and that choice begins right now. You see, life will always test you, not to destroy you, but to reveal the warrior inside you. Every heartbreak, every failure, every betrayal was not the end of your story. It was a chapter preparing you for the next level. Most people repeat the past because they keep reliving it. They tell the same painful story again and again. But when you truly decide to let go, you stop being a victim of what happened and become the author of what's next. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means forgiving, not for them, but for yourself. Forgiveness is freedom. It releases the emotional weight that keeps you stuck. The moment you forgive, you open the door to peace. Your future is hungry for your attention. Every minute you spend in regret is a minute stolen from your destiny. You cannot create a powerful life if your energy is tied to the pain of yesterday. Cut the cord, breathe again. Transformation begins with a decision, a single bold declaration that says no more excuses, no more replaying the past. Today you claim your power, you rise, not because it's easy, but because your soul demands it. You are stronger than your history. You've survived what others couldn't. That means there's something unbreakable inside you. So stand tall. Look forward. The best chapters of your life haven't even been written yet. When you focus on gratitude, pain loses its grip. You start to see that even the darkest nights gave you wisdom, empathy, and strength. Life didn't happen to you, it happened for you. Every scar is proof of growth. So right now, make a promise to yourself to release the past, to forgive, to live fully. The past was a teacher, not a sentence. The power is in your hands. Step into your future with courage, passion, and unstoppable belief.